You gotta stay to the right. Okay, stop there for a sec. Alright. Okay. Come up, pointing towards this tree. Yeah. Okay. Come towards me. Good. Make it right. Passenger, Oh, you're going to slide in there.
You're going to slide right in.
Back up. Turn the other way. Yeah, turn the other way.
See how easy it just is.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Nice and slow.
Long way. Just go every angle.
Keep going.
As soon as you start going off, you pull the tires all mud.
Yeah. Keep going.
I found that out the hard way. I tell you, when I backed up to that tree, I looked in the rearview camera there, and it looked like I was just touching it.
Well, you weren't. You were really close.
And then I slipped on the ground.
And then you passed it. Yeah, towards the tree, and then...
Oh yeah, cut it right.
Come towards me now.
Yeah, hug it.
Hard. Keep going.
Too fast.
Okay, there you go.
Passenger
side.
Whoa. Grab the car.
Passenger side.
Oh, she's gonna be in that rough though.
She won't make that puddle.
She won't make that, yeah.
Get the back out.
I'm gonna kill her.
Yeah, she won't make that.
She comes out of there alive.
Tell her to put up a windshield. Didn't end up putting in windows. She's gonna be spinning with tires. Oh, I got a dead bug in my shirt.
Ew.
Wonder if we can get her up on that center hump.
You think so? You think she'll get up on that?
I don't think
No,
so.
I don't think
I wouldn't try backing it up. She's pretty tippy now.
I think you'll get sucked in. It's too deep for her up there.
Deer fly.
I think if you put your wheel in the center, keep high.
Rear is going to drop down into this hole.
She can't reverse it.
She could, but she's just gonna slide and get the two front tires in
Go
there.
to the right.
Yeah, it's too slick.
Just start putting.
And if they tip over, if they tip over 30 degrees, there's a meter inside too.
Pull her left.
I just started looking for stuff to put in that pothole.
Oh, there's a rock over there.
That drop's pretty steep, but if she comes down off that...
She's got to come a little slower.
You're going to go. Yeah, you'll go.